Hey everyone, forcebolt is back again with an amazing video where we will compare both the popular web application development framework Angular and AngularJS to help you make the right choice between them. As we all know, companies are constantly looking out for effective methods to stay ahead of the competition, and web and mobile apps have become helpful marketing tools for any business to succeed. When creating successful applications, it is vital to have the right framework. Angular and AngularJS are the most popular frameworks used for web development at the forefront. Now, before we discuss the differences between both of them, let's talk about the basics. Angular is a widely used open-source TypeScript framework built by Google for building web apps used mainly by front-end developers. On the other side, AngularJS is an open-source front-end framework written in JavaScript primarily used to build single-page web apps. Whether you're a software developer specializing in web development or an organization that wants you to expand its presence by launching applications, this AngularJS versus Angular battle might be of interest. Stay tuned with us. Angular and AngularJS both come with their strengths and weaknesses. Let's now check out some differences between these two frameworks based on some factors. First, architecture. AngularJS comes with a model view controller which manages data, rules, and logic and tells how the apps behave. Angular uses the components that are directives with the template, which provides a modern application structure, making it easier to create and manage larger applications. Second, mobile support. AngularJS, mobile browsers don't support it. Angular, supported by all the leading mobile browsers. Third, performance and speed. Angular is much faster than AngularJS. In AngularJS, the two-way binding feature diminishes the time and efforts of development. Angular, in contrast, Angular has an optimized architecture that arrives with improved speed and performance. Fourth, tool support. AngularJS framework depends on third-party tools like WebStorm and IDE. Angular uses the command line interface to cut application development time. Fifth, language. AngularJS is written in JavaScript. Angular is, however, written in Microsoft's TypeScript language. Sixth, dependency injection. AngularJS doesn't use dependency injection. Angular uses a hierarchical dependency injection system using declarations, constructor functions, and providers. To put it short, if you want to build a fairly straightforward application, AngularJS can make development faster and easier. But if you're looking to develop a web store, small messaging app, news app, or e-commerce store, Angular will serve you the best with front-end development tasks. Thinking of getting started with a web development project? Hiring the right Angular development company can ensure the success of your project. It's time to get in touch with forcebolt, a leading full-stack development company now.